everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. Today I'm going to talk about harvesting Swiss chard. So Swiss chard is one of those plants like a leaf lettuce that you can just go out and pick what you want at the time, and then it will continue to grow. It will sprout more leaves. So it's not like a single batch harvest like you would expect like a cauliflower or something like that. And what I love about Swiss chard, besides I love Swiss chard, is that it is really hardy. And I am able to grow Swiss chard almost well past Christmas time here in New England. Even though it gets a little bit of a frost, it can still grow. And on some mild winters, I've been picking almost the whole winter. It's hardy to about a zone 3, but you know, eventually when it does get a hard frost, it will die back. Here is my Swiss chard, and it's looking really good. And if I look inside here, you can see that there are some small leaves of Swiss chard coming. So if I cut these back, these will have some light to grow. And you can see on the other one here, there really isn't anything growing yet. So when I cut some of these down, I'm going to get some more leaves spreading up there. So it's actually better to harvest the Swiss chard on a frequent basis